Hi subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can generate them raster image on ArcGIS. Okay, I'll be working with this particular data. This data that says contour. When you click on it, under the attribute table now we have the XYZ values for the data. So you can see it, the easting, the northeast and the height. So with this easting, northeast, height for this, you can generate a raster image for this particular data. So what I did was that this particular XYZ data was exported, and with this particular XYZ now, so what I will do is that I will come to my search. Under my search now, I will press interpolation, then I'll press enter. So that is interpolation. Now we have different type of interpolation, but what you'll be doing is, since we are dealing with raster image, so I'll click on raster interpolation, and under this raster interpolation now we have category, we have nearest neighbor, we have spline, we have topo to raster, we have trend, and we have spline. We have several greedy methods. So the greedy method I will be using is I'll be using nearest neighbor as my grid method. So the next thing for me to do now is to select the contour. So this particular contour that is under this layer now is what I will select. So it's going to use the XYZ that I have on that particular contour to generate the them raster image for that particular data. So you can see it now, output cells option. So as soon as I select the contour now, I'll click OK. You can see now it's already generating the raster image for me, and you can see now the raster image has been generated. So all I will simply do is to bring it to the top so that it can overlay under the map. So this particular raster image now, this is it, and that is how to generate raster image on ArcGIS. By the time I checked in, when I check out this and I check into this contour now, so this particular contour, you can see these are the data for the contours, and that is why the raster image only covered the areas that the contour was overlaid. You can see now this particular area is where we have the data for the contours, and that is why it is covering that area and not the whole extent. Having been we have the data for this particular area, so it's going to cover the whole area. And that is how to generate raster image for under ArcGIS. And this raster image now, you can come to this place here under your properties now. When you click on properties, you can come to your properties and come to symbology. So under this particular symbology, you can select your classification mode, like how many numbers of classification you want it to be. You can change the displays. If you are not satisfied with the display you have, you can change it. Let me just select this display now for you. And the classes now, let me change the classes to 5. So you're going to see it. You can see it has been changed. So you can just change your raster image to any particular colors that you want and the classes you want. And this is how to generate raster image on ArcGIS. Thank you.